Hi, my name is Irene from Adjoining Architecture. Today I'm going to be taking you through the elegant 4-bedroom house plan. This is one of our best-selling house plans. Sit back and find out why. The elegant 4-bedroom house plan is a beautiful and well-designed house plan. Each room has been designed to provide you with adequate space for comfortable living. The key feature of the elegant 4-bedroom house plan is the compact nature of the design. The house has been designed with a small footprint of 11 meters by 10.1 meters. This is what we call the plinth dimension. If you have a small piece of land, a 40 feet by 60 feet, which is 12 meters by 18 meters, you can comfortably build this house and have adequate space left on either sides of the house, at the back and at the front. On the front side, you can be able to park up to 2 cars, and at the back, you have adequate space to put a servant's quarters, or have a small yard, or a kitchen garden, or even a play area for your children. On the ground floor, you have an entrance porch that takes you to the inside of the house. On one side, you have a spacious lounge. You will be able to fit in all your lounge furniture and arrange it comfortably, leaving you with enough circulation space. Next to the lounge, you have an open plan dining area that is also very spacious. You will be able to fit in all your dining furniture and still have good circulation space left. Behind the dining area, you have a kitchen with a pantry. The kitchen can be either open plan or enclosed. Kitchens are all about storage. We have provided both high-level and low-level storage cabinets, as well as additional storage space in the pantry. Outside the kitchen, we have a laundry room. The laundry room has a Dhobi sink as well as enough space to install a washer and a dryer. Downstairs, you have a bedroom. This bedroom is ideal to use either as a visitor's bedroom or a bedroom for your house worker. Next to the bedroom, you have a bathroom that serves the ground floor. This bathroom serves the bedroom downstairs as well as your guests who are downstairs. Upstairs, you have a spacious master bedroom with a private bathroom. Adequate storage space has been provided in the master bedroom as well as the master ensuite bathroom. The master bedroom has a balcony overlooking the front of the house. The private bathroom is spacious enough to fit in a bathtub or a shower cubicle as well as a toilet and a sink. We have 2 other bedrooms upstairs that are equal in size. Each bedroom is spacious enough to fit 2 single beds. Each bedroom has adequate closet space provided. The 2 bedrooms upstairs share a bathroom with a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a sink. The elegant 4-bedroom house plan has a total area of 149 square meters. Downstairs we have 84 square meters and upstairs we have 65 square meters. With all our house plans, we usually customize the design to fit within the needs and the budget of the client. Some people may prefer all the rooms en suite, others may want an open plan kitchen, while others may prefer the kitchen enclosed. You may want additional space, maybe you want an office, a gym, a study, and so on. We can customize and tweak this design to fit your desire. When it comes to the estimated cost of construction, we usually use the rates that have been published by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This board gives the cost of construction for different parts of the country. Currently, home construction is between 25,000 to 35,000 shillings per square meter for low-level to mid-level finishes. Using this rate, the cost of construction for this house, that is 149 square meters, would be between 3.7 million and 5.2 million, depending on the materials and the finishes used. That is the elegant 4-bedroom house plan, customized to your needs and to your budget. Get in touch with us, contact us, come to our offices, visit us. We are always ready to talk to you. Remember to like and to subscribe to this video. Share it with your friends. Anyone who's looking for a house plan, tell them to come here and they'll find what they need. Hit that subscribe button. Let's see you in our next video.